Good morning. Happy Saturday or Sunday if you're watching this when it comes out, or any other day if you're watching this on any other day. It is Saturday morning for me. I have literally just woken up. It is 9:02 and I was supposed to wake up at 8, but I didn't because I stayed up late last night washing my hair. So, bit of a late start today, and there's quite a lot that I want to get done. I actually have some real plans, which I'm still getting used to in this like post-apocalyptic pandemic world. I underestimated how many things I actually wanted to do before I go out, so I've actually written a list because that's just who I am. So my morning is going to be split into like 45-minute segments. I'm going to spend half an hour right now putting my kitchen together. I didn't wash my dishes that I made dinner last night, so you sue me. I want to get a workout in. I obviously would then need to get ready, and I have a call at 12 and I want to leave straight after that call at 1. So 3 hours, not a lot of time, but a lot to do. And yeah, I need matcha like immediately. I got a new whisk for my matcha because I was using like a little just kind of silicone whisk, because I heard that you're not supposed to use metal against matcha, but this is actually like for matcha, so it's plastic, and I think it has a slightly different like pattern here than like a normal one, but it is so good. Look at that! The last of my homemade granola, which will be in a video that will be out by the time you see this, a what I eat in a day video with some outpour yogurt and some strawberries. Okay, so next thing I need to do is actually finish the next video, which I'm working on. I just need to record the voiceover this morning and then put it on and export. I already edited the whole video and did the thumbnail and everything yesterday. Running to a tight schedule. I'm already like 5 minutes into the time I allocated for this, so I'm just gonna get cracking. Okay, so it's a bit later. I finished everything that I had to do. I had my appointment. I've just finished getting ready. I am running late, but so be it. I am now gonna leave, go, am I getting the train or am I driving? I'm somehow gonna get to my boyfriend's, and we are gonna go to the Asian supermarket that I've been seeing all over TikTok. I actually did some research in advance by asking my 2 Asian friends what the hell I should be buying there, because it looks absolutely massive, and from all the videos I've seen, it's gonna be like super overwhelming to like pick stuff. So I've got like a rough idea of the things that I want to get, and I know the things that I obviously like. So yeah, I am buzzing for this because I love Asian food. These needed a snack, and they sound like a bit of me, so I hope they're good because we're gonna eat them right now in the car. I hope it's nice. Smells like bread. Okay, my first bite didn't have anything in it. Maybe did my second bite. It's way too, I mean, it's bread, that's what it says it is, but it's way too bready. It's nice though. Next time, buy it to come heat up. again. I have like all the stuff that I bought in Tian in front of me, and I just want to do like a little haul of what I got, because like I was in there kind of like overwhelmed. Because when I go to Hu Hing, which is the Chinese supermarket I usually go to, it's super industrial, and I just feel super overwhelmed that I'm not buying the right stuff, because everyone in there just knows what they're getting and just like moves around so quickly. So I actually had a stroll, looked around. I thought it was really, really good there. Like everything was really well stocked, and like people in there were pretty nice. Someone helped me look for one of the things that I got. So I just went to do a little haul of what I picked up. The first thing I got was just Vietnamese rice paper. I want to try and make summer rolls. I've been seeing them a lot on TikTok. I mean, the whole reason I went to this supermarket was because I saw it on TikTok, and yeah, I really want to try and make summer rolls, so I picked up some of those. I picked up some palm sugar, and this is kind of like a bit of a YOLO, but basically when I went to Thailand a few years ago, I have a recipe book from a Thai cooking class that I did there, and I'm pretty sure one of the recipes for, I think it's the mango sticky rice, uses this type of palm sugar, and I do have the right rice for sticky rice in the cupboard. So my brain was just like, all I need now was a mango kind of vibe. So I got that. I got toasted sesame seeds, because if you saw on my What I Eat in a Day video, sesame seeds on literally everything is life, and them already being toasted is such a time saver. I got new matcha because I'm addicted to matcha and I'm running a little bit low. I usually buy it on Amazon. It costs a pretty penny, and obviously it takes like a couple of days to get here. So I'm hoping this one is actually even nicer, because it's legit. I got noodles. I like udon noodles a lot, but I also got some of these yakisoba noodles. They're just like, I don't know if you would say they're fresh noodles or not, but they're like already soft. They're basically straight to wok noodles. So I absolutely love having these in the cupboard. It makes stir fries like just so quick and easy. I got Korean red pepper paste. I didn't buy the super hot one. I think I just bought, yeah, just a standard kind of like red pepper paste. I don't know how to pronounce gochujang. Basically, this is in hella recipes that I always want to try, and I never actually have it. I'm gonna prep in a recipe and actually use this properly, and not just wing it and throw it in a basic stir fry. One thing I am gonna wing, if you know about my resolutions for the year, we got ourselves some mushrooms. These are mushrooms that I think I've tried before. I think I have tried these before. I think I got them in my local Chinese supermarket one day when I was doing dim sum for my mum. But I didn't know what they were called, and I don't know if I documented it. So here's another mushrooms tick off my list. I bought some Boba. So these are like tapioca pearls. If you like bubble tea, as probably most people do in the world these days, you'll know what these are and what they taste like. I basically don't get to enjoy bubble tea very often or very much, because proper milk tea is obviously milk, and I don't drink milk. So I thought if I got some of these, then I could try and make bubble tea myself at home. Again, I've seen it on TikTok and it's not really that hard. So I want to give these a try. I got the green tea flavor and just the classic black sugar flavor. These are the instant ones. So I think they get ready. Yeah, this is 2 minutes, this is 5 minutes, but tapioca pearls. And then the last things I got, I don't know, my boyfriend said that these were good, and I just realized I was supposed to give him one, and I've come home with both of them. But anyway, some kind of grape soda. I can't read anything on the can, and he picked them. So I'm assuming, based on the little picture, that these are grape soda. We actually ended up going down to Spitalfield just because it was like a 10-minute walk from where we were, and we ate. So I was gonna cook something from what I've bought here today, but it's literally 7 o'clock. And I'm not hungry at all. So yeah, won't be closing this video out with a recipe today, but thank you so much for joining me on this random day in my life weekend day. If you like this kind of videos, please give this video a like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you know what to do with any of the things that I've bought that are probably more interesting than just making a stir fry out of them. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.